this will damage flavour. And that's the challenge this year, is all this raisins.
And we can source from one end of the valley to the other. Using your body weight, squishing the skins, working, pulling out that flavour and that colour, and then not breaking the pips. What we try to do is replicate that with these patterns. Okay, the oxygen's getting in there and could be beginning to damage the wine. It is naturally, it's got a blanket of CO2 caused by the fermentation.
Wine, we have
breakfast wine. Cheers.
It's about 7%. So this is after you come out of the press. So you can see here all the look at all the pips. So there's basically pips and skins. You know, we'll still smells a bit of alcohol. What will happen to this will go and be sold.
Barrels.
Oh yeah, they're humidified, replicating the conditions you have on the coast